Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming what's required. You need a Google account, the Google Pay app on your iPhone, and the gift card code. Once that's confirmed, open Google Pay and sign in with the same Google account you'll use for purchases. Make sure your card code is handy. Photograph it if needed. Then, tap the Redeem or Add Gift Card option. Do this now. It puts the funds on your Google balance so you can use them across compatible services. You enter the gift card code carefully. Letters and numbers matter, so slow down and double-check O versus 0. Once you tap Redeem, Google processes the code and credits your Google Play or Google Pay balance. After redemption, go to Payments or Google Play balance in the app to verify the updated amount. If Google asks to confirm billing country or link a payment method, follow prompts. This prevents regional blocks. Once done, your Google balance is ready for purchases where Google Pay is accepted. You use the balance at checkouts that accept Google Pay or Google Play purchases when using Google services on the web or compatible apps. Note, this will not work for Apple App Store charges or iOS in-app billing. If a purchase does not apply the balance, choose Google Pay at checkout and confirm the payment source. If the code fails, first re-enter it exactly, then confirm the card region matches your Google account. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.